In this video we're going to look at editing the area. So you'll see we've still got some remnants here from last time, so I need to get rid of some of the frames. So as I click on the frame, you'll see I can simply delete the frame. And let's do that. Let's just go back to where we were at the start. So again, all a wee bit tidy. He's in position, I'm quite happy with that there. But I think I'd like another Stykz figure, so I'm going to just drag him on the yellow node, move him to the side, add a Stykz figure, and we now have a new figure. Okay, and all I'm going to do this time is just very quickly use the flip. So I'm just going to make this guy look like he is standing and pointing sideways. You'll notice that all I've done is change where the opposition arms are, but now suddenly it looks like he is facing sideways, whereas this guy here still appears to be front on. Okay, so if I want to flip, I go new frame. This is the simplest animation of all. I'm on this object, I'm going to flip him. Go to this object, I'm going to flip him. Okay, and then I've got loop set, I'm going to hit play, and again it might not look right to you because, in fact, I wonder if I change this down to 2 frames per second, if it would work. Might work, might not. Play. Okay, so you can see we've got that sort of motion where it's sort of doing a jive where we're going sideways, backwards, forwards. Now the interesting thing is your brain will fill in all the extra wee bits and pieces, so although that motion is particularly jerky, your brain knows roughly what it's looking for and can do it that way. Now the only bit that I find off-putting in this object here, it's going side to side, is the head doesn't move, and we could have made that a wee bit better by simply changing the position of the head. So if I just stop it, close that animation, and I'm going back into this first frame, and all I'm going to do is very slightly move the head. Alright, and you'll see it's very, very slight, but the effect in the animation, you can see now it looks like the head's turning as well, because it's not stationary, and your brain does that. It knows what humans looks like, it's therefore looking for human patterns, and therefore we actually now think that's a bit more convincing that the person is turning their head as they move. And that's the end of this. It simply introduces to the flip, and we could do that for any object we draw. We can just flip it, and there's no reason why you can't flip up and down as well as left to right. So you can make someone appear to spin by flipping them. Okay, so that's that.